What's going on, man? Derek out here in the rain, man. You're gonna do me some trucking, man. Y'all need to get out of my way. What up, man? Derek here, back with another video. Just out messing around today, man. I got a call from my brother. He want me to help him do something today, so I'm gonna go over here and see what he got going on, man. Stay tuned, see what we got for you today, man. Peace out. Come on, man. It's too cold for this shit, man. It's too cold for this shit, man. Come on, man. Over with, man. Come on. Too much noise going on, man. I try to tell this cat, man. It's done. You can run the battery down, man. It's over with. Man, let's get out of here, man. He gonna kill me with all these fumes and shit, man. Hey, let go, man. Man, let me check this Cadillac out, man. Oh, okay. Oh, yes, sir. This thing look great. It's that old school, man. Y'all don't know nothing about this shit. Vogue with the wheels on that, man. Not them little bitty ass tires and shit, man. Yes, sir. It look right there. I like that black. Man, definitely look good. Man, just out here, man, with my brother, man. He gonna pick this car up, man. This thing look good. Got his tires and everything put on here, man. Now that's what I'm talking about. Not them low profile tires, got the Vogue tires and everything on there. It look pretty good to me, man. This that old school. This ain't that the young fella shit right here.
Alright, man, stuff. Now I got your stock wheels right here. I didn't put them in the car. I didn't want to put them in the car. We did the air back up and everything for you. So in case you have a blowout, you stick it on there and whatever. Keep rolling. So whenever if you want to put something in that car, we can. If you want to put something in the other ride, we can. Whatever you want to do.
We got a truck out here, and I guess I can throw a couple of them in the trunk too.
Hook toe ass thing. Got a hook toe and shit, man. I need it.
You got a mile in there?
That'll work. All right, appreciate it. Yeah, that black look good. I found them tires, boy. That shit was right on time. So toe ass, he can't put this shit up there. Some of these Cadillac wheels.
Give me $1,500. See, that pay everything. Hell no. Fuck that.
Fine. I'm about to pull that money pit out, man. Crank this thing up. You got me out here looking at this bike out here.
Nobody move, nobody get hurt. Click tight around them. DJ Swift on the tour. I mean, I shoot, you shoot. Know how it go. I rock for my niggas, I'ma keep it real. Keep it real. When it come to Anna, we ain't got no chill. Got no chill. That mean we in this shit forever. The only way out this bitch is a casket in a shovel. Casket in a shovel. A casket in a shovel. Only way out this bitch is a casket in a shovel. That mean we in this bitch forever. That mean we in this bitch forever. I'm mixing clean ice with some dirty Sprite. What you call robbing, we call it drug heist. And I can say your plug ice. We treat them AK like a paradise. Hell nah, I ain't speed, I just got loud pipes. Hit the bank big enough, cause I take it life.
Thought I was out of space, I'm so fucking high.
It's really business, with my suit and tie. Me and my niggas, we gon' stay tight. Fly in a bitch, let me take flight. Do my monster bed, said we gon' be alright. Fucking with the clip, we gon' shoot all night. I rock for my niggas, I'ma keep it real. When it come to Anna, we ain't got no chill. That mean we in this shit forever. The only way out this bitch is a casket in a shovel. A casket in a shovel. A casket in a shovel. Only way out this bitch is a casket in a shovel. That mean we in this bitch forever.
Yeah.
That mean we in this bitch forever. Mass up, kick your dough, that's a drug heist. I got niggas riding with me, ready to take life. Get it? Run and get your gun, you don't wanna fight. I don't want a piece, I want the whole pie. Don't want your bitch if the bitch shot. Fuck with my squad, cause the click tight. I put lean on the crush ice. I'ma cash out when the money right. Get it? Strap on me with a loaded clip. I advise you not to run your lip. I like to fight, bitch, talking shit. Get it? I like my price cheap, and let the hood eat. Coaster. I ride for my niggas, I'ma keep it real. When it come to Anna, we ain't got no chill. That mean we in this shit forever. The only way out this bitch is a casket in a shovel. A casket in a shovel. A casket in a shovel. Only way out this bitch is a casket in a shovel. That mean we in this bitch forever.
Oh yeah.
We got some more. It's some little spray that nigga said he sprayed on this shit.
Man, you gotta get some SOS pads, like old school SOS pads on this
thing. He
thing.
got some more shit, bro, for the show you.
Better clean it off.
Yeah, but I know screw. Just spray that shit on there.
Hell no, nah, ain't gonna get clean like that.
Shit.
Man, you gotta have SOS pad. Come on, man. You gotta have a brush or something.
Man, dude had that shit. He showed it. He showed it.
Shit, nah.
I lost this shit, man. I'll never find this shit again. I know it before that. And they did a little video. He sprayed that shit on there. I was like, God damn.
I don't believe it. Man, that's enough for today, man. Just out here messing around, man. Derek out with another video.
Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Wait, we didn't say